Hello, today we are here with the Anatomy of the Heart Part 6 lessons. In this video, we will discuss about the heart valves and fibrous skeleton of the heart. If this content is useful for you, then please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page NG's Corner for Nurses, and you are most welcome to comment. First, we will discuss about the heart valves. Valves open and close in response to pressure changes as the heart contracts and relaxes. Each of the four valves, please name the four valves. Yes, tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, aortic valve and pulmonary valve. These valves helps the one-way flow of the blood by opening to let blood through and then closing to prevent its backflow. Operation of the atrioventricular valves. Located between an atrium and a ventricle, the tricuspid and bicuspid valves are termed as atrioventricular valves or AV valves. When an AV valve is open, the pointed ends of the three cusps of tricuspid valve or two cusps of bicuspid valves projected into the ventricle. When the ventricles are relaxed, the papillary muscles are relaxed, the chordae tendineae are slack, and blood moves from the higher pressure in the atria to a lower pressure in the ventricles through open AV valves. When the ventricles contract, the pressure of the blood drives the cusps upward until their edges meet and close the opening. At the same time, the papillary muscles contract, which pulls on and tightens the chordae tendineae. This prevents the valve cusp from everting in response to the high ventricular pressure. Please see the picture. The picture A is denoting the bicuspid valve is open and the picture B is denoting when the bicuspid valve is closed. Operation of the semilunar valve. The aortic and pulmonary valves are known as the semilunar valves because they are made up of three crescent moon-shaped cusps. Each cusp attaches to the arterial wall by its convex outer margin. When ventricles contract, pressure builds up within the chambers. The semilunar valve open when pressure in the ventricles exceeds the pressure in the arteries and permitting ejection of blood from the ventricles into the pulmonary trunk and aorta. Now, as the ventricle relaxes, blood starts to flow back toward the heart. This backflowing blood fills the valve cusps, which causes the semilunar valves to close tightly. Now we are coming to fibrous skeleton of the heart. Heart wall contains dense connective tissue that forms the fibrous skeleton of the heart. Fibrous skeleton consists of four dense connective tissue rings that surrounds the valves of the heart, fuse with one another and merge with the interventricular septum. It forming a structural foundation for the heart valves and prevents overstretching of the valves as blood passes through them. It also serves as a point of insertion for bundles of cardiac muscle fibers and act as an electrical insulator between atria and ventricles. So this is about today's lesson. Thank you for listening.